Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. We'll start with LME 3-month copper. A lower indecisive spinning top that could also be seen as a second bearish black crow yesterday. I suspect the move lower was a continuation of the move down from the high from last week, but the indecision I put down to the market approaching the trio of supports from 2011. I've already mentioned them, but they are the March high at 99.99, the April high at 99.47, and the July high at 99.07. The recent questions the market has been asking itself seem now to be resolving. That is, there's no immediate attempt to try higher, so let us test the resolve of the support, and these three are the first up. Below them we have some mild congestion in the 98.56 area before we come to some fairly clear territory below until a February high at 96.17. So far today, a lower open and a real test of all three support levels, and a seemingly equally unanimous rejection of all of them, the market moving back up. However, the move back up has not been too extreme, so it does leave the door open for another test lower, whenever the market chooses, if it really wishes to do so in the first place. LME 3-month aluminium. A third bearish black crow yesterday, and a continued suitable follow-on lower to the recent bearish dark cloud cover pattern. The market punched down through both the upper, currently at 24.01, and the lower, currently 23.88, trend lines of the old ascending triangle pattern that started the recent move higher in the first place, back between February and late April. The fall was only halted upon approach to the big old 50% Fibonacci line of the 2008-2009 move at 23.30, with perhaps some help from the nearby rising short-medium moving average, currently 23.24. All this has raised a question in my mind as to whether the recent action since February might be a possible bearish bump and run reversal top. Now, I am open to this question, but it will depend on what the market does at the March uptrend, also known as the lower trend line of the previously mentioned old ascending triangle. This is one to watch, especially as it comes in the shadow of last week's outside week pattern. So far today, an immediate reactionary move back up, well through both the lower and upper trend lines, and looking very much like a bullish double right now. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.